Welcome to our learning to cook pizza journey, and today I'm going to be using the Ooni Karu because I am going to be cooking some herb dough. I have it out there in the sun. I had to freeze it because the weather was so bad. And now it's nice. It's going to thunder later, so I'm trying to get this done before the thunderstorms. I've got my little gazebo up just to make sure I've got somewhere to go if it does. Got my new table. First time I've used it. So I'm going to light the fire now. Just got a bit of lump wood in there, a bit less than I used last time. Light this up, get this going, and then get my herb dough ready. Right, just put that log on. So I'm expecting the back of my stone has gone up to 550. So I've already kind of broken the Ooni instructions after my second ever wood cook. It was just bound to happen. As long as it doesn't stick to my peel. That's handy, having my peel on the other side of the oven. Come here. Let's get you in. Oh. Okay, so my phone overheated as I took it out of the oven, but here it is. I'm just gonna rub some garlic butter all over. That was a hot cook. Right, let's go and try it. I'm going to try that bit. It looks really crusty. We'll definitely make this again. Give it a go if you haven't. But the test was, can I taste the herbs in the dough? And the answer is yes, I can. It tastes really good. Highly recommended. Okay, so here we are, my second cook with the herb dough, and I'm going to just get my peel. I'll just put it in first and then I'll get my peel. I melted my phone last time, and but it didn't actually melt, but it kind of did. I had to put it in the freezer to cool down because it's a hot day today, For United Kingdom, it's 28 degrees centigrade, which is quite unheard of. And so add that to this heat as well, and my phone turned off. It is an old phone. It's an iPhone 7 Plus. I do all my outside filming with it. I love it. I will upgrade to like the iPhone Pro Max, I think they're called. That must be like amazing, because I think this phone is amazing with its camera. So that must be really amazing. But for now, stick it in the freezer and it's good to go. So my last cook was a bit frantic with my phone playing up and the heat of the stone. Even though it was 400 degrees and 430 degrees centigrade in the middle, it was, I don't know, there's something about this stone. It feels different to the Ooni Karu stone, and it seems to be hotter at a lower temperature, if that makes sense. So when it's 430, it seems to be much hotter than 430. See, look, this is 410, and you can see the base there. That's like a 430 temperature on my other ovens. So I don't know what it is about this stone, but I think I might reduce the temperature every time I cook in it, so it'll be like 420 or 410 or 420, and see how that goes. It's certainly something different. Just a little bit more. Let's go and check this out. Let me give that a bit of a try. Ooh, This is cooked better at a lower temperature on the stone, so I cooked it at 410. I like it with just the garlic butter, but it tastes even better with just the mozzarella. This herb dough, I wish I'd been using this before, because it's really easy to do and you've got that added extra special taste. So I didn't add any herbs to the top of this dough. You can see inside that bubble. Very much like normal dough, just adding herbs into the dough process. So I'm gonna try that bit. This is really tasty. Give this a go if you haven't. Give the beer dough a go if you haven't. Link in the video here. Take care everyone. Stay safe. Bye. And don't forget to check out our website, gottoeatpizza.com. Link is below.